What's up guys, and the crazy leaks has been started. We have done with the Huawei P30 Pro and it's time to take a look at the next big thing from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The 10th anniversary Note flagship from Samsung could actually be the buttonless phone. Yes, according to ETNews, they have a very great track record of leaking phones in the past, so they said that the Galaxy Note 10 will going to be Samsung's first phone with keyless or buttonless design. That means no power button, no volume buttons, and not that Bixby button. So instead of these physical buttons, they will use touch/gesture based system, or it could have a squeeze feature that we have seen with the Pixel phones, where you can hold the phone and apply pressure with your hands and launch the Google Assistant. But with the Galaxy Note 10, by applying the squeeze pressure, you can increase and decrease the volume and activate Bixby, or it could have swipe features to increase and decrease the volume, and pressure sensitive on the power and Bixby button plays. Again, we don't know what will happen. And not only the Note 10, the buttonless design also set to come with one of the Galaxy A series phone, and here is no confirmation that A series phone with buttonless design will come first or the Note 10 will come first. And not only that, we also have a hands-on leak of a phone which is set to be the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Someone sent me this pic and said that this is the Galaxy Note 10, because as you can see here, we have this curved infinity display, and on the bottom side here we have a headphone jack, USB-C port, speaker grill, and space for a pen. Again, I'm not sure, because as you can see it has no holes for cameras, which means the cameras could be hidden underneath the display. But according to Samsung president of R&D display division, he told to Korean media that it was extremely challenging for Samsung to introduce the Infinity O display with the Galaxy S10 family, and Samsung was successfully in doing it, because in the market we have bunch of designs on LCD displays, but nobody can do whole on AMOLED except Samsung. And in the future, as tech evolves, there will be a time when Samsung will be able to put the camera beneath the display. It will be completely hidden, but it won't be happen at least 1 to 2 years. So I don't think so it is a real Galaxy Note 10. Again, let me know what you think about it, and please subscribe to the channel for more leaks on the Note 10. And yeah, see you soon.